Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Army establishes TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery in Europe to accelerate counter-drone air defense innovation. The US Army's 10th Army Air and Missile Defense Command has established a new unit in Europe focused on rapidly testing technologies and adapting tactics for emerging air defense threats. The Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery, known as TIE Battery, was created as small unmanned aerial systems continue to reshape modern battlefields across Europe, the Middle East and the Indo-Pacific. The unit was activated in April 2025 under the 5th Battalion, 4th Air Defense Artillery Regiment, 52d Air Defense Artillery Brigade. The Army said the formation evolved from an experimental platoon into a full battery dedicated to modernizing air defense capabilities at speed. TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery was founded as a forward-thinking air defense formation to rise to the challenge of transformation in contact, said First Lieutenant Jake Licht, commander of the TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery. Our mission is to capture lessons from the battlefield and bring them directly into training. The battery's main role is to integrate new technologies quickly and adapt tactics in response to real-world air defense threats. According to Licht, the unit gives the Army a dedicated formation for experimentation at a level that did not previously exist. Before this, there wasn't a dedicated formation focused on innovation and experimentation at this level, Licht said. By committing soldiers to that mission, we're able to rapidly integrate new capabilities and make the force more ready. TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery is organized around two main elements: an innovation platoon and a tactical platoon. The innovation platoon studies and develops new concepts, including commercial technologies and internal Army solutions, while the tactical platoon tests them in realistic field conditions. Our battery is completely dedicated to testing new equipment for soldiers, by soldiers, said 2nd Lieutenant Owen Hintz, a platoon leader within the tactical platoon. We're able to get direct feedback at the lowest level and figure out what actually works before anything is fielded on a larger scale. The Army said the unit's bottom-up approach is designed to ensure that the soldiers who will use the equipment directly influence its development. Hintz said this is especially important because junior soldiers are often the personnel who operate such systems in the field. At the end of the day, it's going to be junior soldiers using these systems, Hintz said. So it has to be them who decide if something works or not. For enlisted soldiers, the role provides direct involvement in experimentation and feedback. Our leadership values our opinion, said Private First Class David Trowbridge, an air defense soldier with TIE. The Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery. We get to talk to vendors, test the equipment ourselves and give our opinion before anything moves forward. The unit's work also includes building and modifying systems to better understand how they function. Soldiers in the innovation platoon are using 3D printing, soldering and coding to design and assemble drones as part of the battery's technology development effort. We 3D print drone bodies, solder components and build them ourselves, Trowbridge said. It gives us a better understanding of how they work, how to use them, and repair them if we ever need to in combat. Much of the battery's current focus is on countering small drones, which the Army described as a growing threat in modern warfare. Hintz said the unit is responding to operational trends seen in conflicts around the world. Our battery has a big focus on drones right now because of what we're seeing around the world, Hintz said. The drone threat is something we've never seen before, and we need to be able to keep up with it. TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery is testing a range of counter-drone capabilities, including passive and active sensors, radar systems, mobile fire-team weapons and low-cost interceptor drones. The goal is to identify systems that can detect, track and defeat small unmanned aerial threats efficiently. We're out here to test equipment that can detect and engage small drones effectively, said SPC Titterell Brainan, a SGT Stout Gunner with TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery. The goal is to pick them up early and take them down before they become a threat. The Army said the battery is already integrating these capabilities into training with maneuver units. TIE Tactics, innovation and experimentation. Soldiers provide technical expertise and operational support while helping other formations understand how to employ new systems. We get hands-on with these systems and become experts, Hintz said. Then we're able to help other units understand how to use them effectively. Although the battery is relatively small, the Army said it works across a broad set of projects that require soldiers to learn quickly and adapt to new equipment. Hintz described the personnel assigned to the unit as carefully selected and highly adaptable. Our soldiers are extremely agile and hand-picked, Hintz said. They are able to learn new equipment quickly and apply it in a tactical environment. For soldiers assigned to the Army's first TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery in Europe, the mission is also tied to shaping future air defense operations. We're trying to pave the way for future air defenders, Brainin said. Not just for air defense, but for the Army as a whole. The Army said TIE Tactics, Innovation and Experimentation Battery is intended to serve as a model for rapid innovation by testing, refining and delivering capabilities that meet changing battlefield requirements. If you don't put equipment in the hands of soldiers, you're not going to know if it really works, Hintz said. That's what we're here to do. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.